Loops in Python. Hi, in this lesson we will learn while loops in Python. Let's start the lesson with the theoretical part first. In Python programming language we have two primitive types of loops. These two types are the most popular and they are found in all programming languages. These are while loops and for loops. In general, loops are used in programming to repeat a specific block of code. Also, another use of loops is a loop is used to iterate over a sequence of elements. The while loop in Python is used to iterate over a block of code as long as the test expression or the condition for the while loop is true. Let's see this in action. Here we have a simple example to illustrate how the while loop works. First, we create a variable called I and give it a value so that the loop starts from that value. This value is number 1. It is integer data type. And we started the while loop using the while keyword. This is the beginning of the header of the while loop. After the while keyword, you will find that there is a condition or the test expression for that while loop. When this test expression is true, the entire while loop body is executed. If the test expression is false, nothing is executed from this while loop. And you will find that the test expression in this case is I is smaller than 7. And actually the value of I variable is 1 and it is smaller than 7. So the while loop body in this case will be executed. And the value of I variable will be printed using the print function. And in the last line we incremented I by 1. This is in order to add 1 every cycle. You know that this loop will start from 1. So the value of I variable will be 2 in the second loop and 3 in the third loop and so on, as you can see. And you will find that the end of this loop is equal to 6. Because of the test expression or the condition I is smaller than 7. It's very simple, as you can see. And make sure to increment I or else the loop will continue forever. There is a very important keyword used with the while loop or the for loop. This keyword is called break. With the break statement we can stop the loop even if the while condition is true. So let's see this. You'll find that if I is equal to 4, the program will break the while loop. We used this to exit the loop when I is equal to 4. Also, there is another important keyword used with the loops in Python programming language, the continue statement. With the continue statement, we can stop the current iteration and continue with the next. Simply, this statement is used to skip a number, exactly as follows. If I is equal to 4, the program will continue. The program will skip number 4. And you will find that in this case, this loop starts from number 2, not 1. Because we put the increment for I before the conditional if statement for continue. And also before printing the I variable using the print function. So, this is why the program added 1 before printing. That's it simply. Try to do this by yourself in order to master these concepts practically. That's all for this lesson. If you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again next lesson.